Hi, I'm Matt Rosenthal, the CEO of Mindcore Technologies, and I want to thank you for visiting our Microsoft Teams phone system webpage. The fact that you're here tells me that you are either considering a move to Microsoft Teams for your phones, or maybe you've already decided you're going to do it and you're looking for somebody to work with, somebody that can help you design and build and deploy and just get the whole project done. I can tell you that we moved to Microsoft Teams many years ago. We experimented on ourselves before we ever did a deployment for any of our clients. It's been years now. We've done many of these deployments, and I can assure you that if you need information, this is a great place for you to start. I would strongly encourage you to read all the content on this webpage and to gather all the information that you can. Specifically, I would even ask that you pick up the phone and call us. I would be happy to speak with you about how a deployment goes, what the costs typically are, what that journey looks like to move from your existing phone system, which might be a premise-based old school phone system, it might be another cloud provider. There's all different situations you could be in. We are here to help you figure out what the best, smartest, smoothest, most reliable path is that will have the least impact to your company and has the best outcome when it comes to you choosing how to move your phone system. I want to thank you again for visiting this webpage, and I really do look forward to speaking with you, and I hope that this page is valuable. Thank you.